Why risk-taking is required to achieve goals. The future belongs to the risk-takers, not the comfort seekers. Brian Tracy. Taking risks is an essential part of achieving personal and professional success. By taking risks and opening yourself up to new things, your mind becomes more receptive to opportunities that you may not have considered. Taking risks can also help you grow as a person, as you learn to manage failure and move past your comfort zone. On a larger scale, this can be seen from Steve Jobs at Apple, launching the first iPhone, which has now become one of the world's best-selling smartphones, to Netflix replacing Blockbuster Video. On a smaller scale, this can be seen by your local neighborhood pizza place expanding to open a second location. These all require a certain level of risk-taking. By managing the discomfort of risk-taking, you can experience personal and professional growth. Taking the right risks helps you stay ahead of the competition while providing you with the confidence to aim for loftier goals. Ultimately, risk-taking is essential if you want to reach your full potential. The only way to achieve anything great is to take risks. While some risks are not worth taking, others can have potentially positive outcomes. You'll never break out of the status quo if you don't take risks. This is summed up in the common proverb, "Nothing ventured, nothing gained." This is why taking risks is essential for growth in many areas of your life, especially if you feel stuck. These open opportunities and experiences that you otherwise might miss out on. Also, overcoming risks can lead to greater success and satisfaction in life. By overcoming these risks, you increase your confidence, which can propel you forward to overcome other challenges that may arise. You have to be willing to accept the risk of failure to succeed. When seeking higher levels of personal and professional success, you have to be willing to accept the real risk of failure. It is this level of risk that is required to achieve great things. If there's no risk of failure, the risk taken would not be great enough to give you a big enough level of progress. Learn to be comfortable with risk and avoid letting fear stop you from going after the things you want in life. Step up and be ready to accept the challenge, and do not be afraid of trying something new. This could be exactly what opens up new possibilities for your personal and professional success. Learn from the successes and failures of others. There are many ways to take risks. One of the best ways is to learn from the success and failures of others. Study the stories of how they have taken risks that worked out well, along with the risks that did not pan out. Look for similarities between successful risk takers, while also looking for similarities between those who weren't successful. This will allow you to gain valuable insight into how you should proceed when considering your own risk-taking strategies. By doing this, you minimize the potential negative aspects of the risks in your ventures. Embrace risk and uncertainty in your life. Change your mindset to view risk and uncertainty as necessary steps on the path to success. You will make mistakes, especially when taking risks. This is normal and expected. Be smart about the risks you take to minimize the impact. But do not let these mistakes hold you back from taking important risks in the future. Be confident in your risk-taking decisions, as you can always course-correct if needed. Take informed, calculated risks. Above all else, when taking risks, make them calculated. This means you need to prepare and do your research before taking the risk. Do not take blind or big risks without this important step. Make sure you fully understand the risk and all its impacts on your life. Consider all the different ways this risk can impact you, including if you succeed or if you fail with it. Make sure you look not only at the rewards but also the consequences and plan for each scenario. This will allow you to maximize gains and minimize losses. When taking risks to achieve a goal, set realistic, achievable goals for the level of risk involved. Believe in yourself. Taking risks is a natural part of achieving success. Have faith in yourself, your skills, and your judgment. Avoid letting fear or doubt about taking the right risk get in the way of achieving your goals. While risk-taking can seem daunting, it is a normal and required aspect of achieving personal and professional success. It allows you to develop skills, abilities, and confidence as a person while pushing you outside your comfort zone. By doing your research and taking calculated risks, you can maximize your odds of a good outcome while decreasing the odds of a bad one. Taking the right risk can open doors to new opportunities and experiences that you would not have otherwise come across, leading you to achieve your big goals. Now the question today is this: what's the biggest risk you're willing to take today to move you closer to your goals? Leave a comment below, and Brian will be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, as Brian always says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.